Okay, so when we compare last year's conference to this year's conference, what do you think our gain has been in the last year?
The difference between last year and this year? In the organization of the conference, I think this year was much more focused. And the important thing for this conference is that we organized it together with the patients. And that's really, the patients told us what they wanted to hear, the speakers that they wanted. So I think that was the most important, that was the biggest difference from the conference last year. Last year, we organized it based on what we had planned in the grant, and I really wanted to have the CKD status, the CKD state at the beginning, and then the workshop in the afternoon. But here, we had 1 year to learn to work together and to learn, and we learned together about research also. And so that was very clear. We knew what the patients and our stakeholders wanted to hear, and that really led to the invitation of the various speakers.
Up until sort of as of today, what do you think our net gain has been?
I think we understand much better what the patient experience is and what the caregiver experience is. And we, because we've worked together for a year, basically, I think we know each other much better, and we are much closer, and we can do even better work now, and we understand where we all stand and what our goals are. And I think we made tremendous progress in 1 year.
I had formulated questions. This is the first time I've been at loss for my question all day. What are your plans going forward?
So what we want to do first, the very first thing, and we are starting now, is to ask the patients, the community of patients, so not only our patient partners, but we want to have a large number of patients who would answer the questionnaires that we designed from the 19 themes that were developed at the last conference. As you may remember, in the last conference, we had a lot of participants. However, we didn't have enough patients, and we don't feel very confident that the themes that we develop are representative of the opinion of the patients and their caregivers. So what we want now is to...
Sorry, super distracting.
I was trying.
And angle and roll.
I think he's still going to be making noise.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Steps.
And I'm rolling.
So we are planning to give questionnaires to the patients and their caregivers so that we can really identify the questions, the research questions that matter the most for them. You may remember that last year we collected a lot of questions, and we had a very good turnout at the conference. However, we didn't have as many patients and caregivers as we expected. So what we decided this year is to take the themes that were developed during last year conference, like last year workshop, I should say, and develop new questions out of these themes that we could send to the patients and their caregivers and ask them to rank them. So once we have this new ranking, we will organize a workshop with all the stakeholders, including the healthcare providers and the physicians, and the patients and their caregivers, and the researchers, and hopefully some administrators. And we will all decide together, from all the rankings that we have, from the questions, which research question we want to work on in the next few years.
What would be the ideal situation? What's sort of, for patient-centered healthcare, what's the ideal situation?
The ideal situation in terms of research question, or what do you mean?
No, in terms of, in a perfect system, what would be the ideal situation for patient-centered care with CKD?
I think the example that Dr. Green gave is really the ideal situation, where all the data are centered into a unique system, and then there is an education program and a shared decision-making program, which is all linked all together, and that really allows patients to make the appropriate decisions for them, after being educated about chronic kidney disease and doing this shared decision-making exercise. I think that will be the ideal situation.
And sort of last question, this is one of Eric Jackson's questions, like, where are the opportunities you see for better care delivery?
Let's hold on that.
I think the opportunity and where we need to improve is sharing of information. And in fact, the patients were very eloquent about that, is to have a better electronic health system that where results and information is shared not only in one system but across institutions. And I think the patients and also the healthcare providers complain that they cannot access results, or sometimes they see a patient and the patients say, oh, you know that I had a heart attack, and the provider didn't know because this information never came to the provider. So I think there is a huge improvement opportunity to be done into how to share data, information, results from the patient to improve the coordination of care. And that's a major thing, to improve the coordination of care, and to do this in a secure and confidential way.
One question, was it a success from last year to now, and how so?
So this conference, I think this conference was a success. I think the speakers were wonderful. We learned a lot. The patients and the caregivers' experience was just incredibly moving and enlightening. And I think that the talks really worked well together, were well linked. I enjoyed it. I hope everyone enjoyed it.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yay. So you said something different from everyone else's.
Yeah.
Oh, really?